Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device runs the iOS version the CPM update requires and back up your data first. Once done, sign into the Apple ID linked to your CPM app and open the App Store or test flight depending on the delivery method. Make sure Wi-Fi and sufficient battery or charging are active. Updates can stall on low power. Doing this prevents data loss and ensures the installer can complete without interruption, so you can proceed to fetch the actual update. You now fetch the CPM update through the correct channel. If it's on the App Store, pull down to refresh the Updates tab and tap Update on the CPM app. This ensures you get the signed production build. If it's via test flight, accept the new build and install, because test flight delivers beta-specific entitlement changes. For managed devices, use the company portal or MDM profile to trigger the update push so configuration and entitlements deploy correctly. Once installed, confirm version in App About or Settings. You finish by launching the CPM app and confirming the new version and any changed settings. Check runtime permissions and add or network entitlements. If the update fails, restart your device and retry the install. That clears transient lockups. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular temporarily. Make sure to collect diagnostics, device model, iOS version, build ID, and any error messages, and then contact the developer or IT team so they can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.